In this video, we are going to solve another programming questions in Python. So for the given instructions, as you can see on the screen, in this assignment, what we have to do, we have to create a program. The program name should be mintosec.py. So any Python's file extension is .py. Okay, so now I'm just using Google Colab. So I'm not going to create any separate files .py. So in your convenient you can create a separate file. What you have to do, you have to just copy paste this code what I will write here. Okay, so according to instruction, what we have to do, that program that takes one integers argument representing a number of minutes, and the program will convert the argument to corresponding number of second and print out the value. So in simple term, we can see we have to enter any integers value, and the integers value represent a number of minutes, and we have to convert into the second, and after converting we have to print out to the screen. So there might be one confusion about argument. Argument sometimes is whatever we are passing inside the functions is called argument. Sometimes also whenever we're running the code from command line and we are passing any value, sometimes argument is also considered that one. So but simplicity, what I'm going to do in our case in this program, I'm going to consider one integers argument. It means a user input. Okay, so the user given by users, or maybe some any value assigned to any variables. Okay, so I'm just going to do a simple things like that might be helpful for any other program or any other way, whatever things we're considering. Okay, so that might will work for everyone, that might be work for everything, but after making some slight changes. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a variables, and that variables I'm going to assign some value, a number of minutes, and then I will convert that, or we will convert these numbers to a second. Okay, so I'm going to create a variables name like number of minutes. Okay, and number of minutes, like suppose I'm going to initialize the value 20, and what we do, we have to convert to number of seconds. Okay, so the formula is simple, like in 1 minute there is 60 seconds. So whatever the value would be, number of minutes multiplied by 60. So after these calculations, the number of second will be assigned to these variables, number of second variables. Okay, so according to instruction, what we have to do, that take one integers argument that representing number of minutes. So this representing in comment number of minutes, and here we are converting after writing the formula, number of number of seconds. Okay, so and the third, then what we have to do next, third instruction is print out the value. So print like number of seconds, and pass this value. Okay, so instead you can more format it, total number of seconds. Okay, so now run it. So in 20 minutes 1200 second is there. Okay, or you can write like this, seconds. Okay, 1200 second. And if you want to change any other value, you just write like what will 25, what when in 25 minutes how many second will be there. So in 25 seconds the total second is 1500. So you can change this variable's name to any number of any numbers you wish. Okay, so what I'm just writing the comment with the program name. So if you're creating any separate file or writing code, so what we have to do, just you have to create any Python's file with extension py. Okay, and you have to copy paste this code and then run it from any editor you are using. Okay, so this is a very basic program with the minimum effort. Okay, and just this helpful for how to use different formula, how to define variables. Thus learning of this program, it only these basic things, not any complex logic or algorithms. Okay, so I hope this might be helpful for you. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video with another programming questions.